Hi friends, today we're making delicious spaghetti and meatballs Mopama kitchen style. Let's start with the meatballs, the star of this dish. In a large bowl, add 3 pounds of ground beef, 1 egg, mustard, oh yes, don't skip the mustard, soy sauce, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and panko breadcrumbs. Now mix everything together with your hands. It's one of the most satisfying parts because everything comes together perfectly. Once it's well combined, shape the mixture into meatballs. Next, heat some oil in a skillet and cook the meatballs until they're nicely browned and fully cooked. Then add a little butter and some finely minced garlic before pouring in the tomato sauce. Once the sauce starts to simmer, it's time for a special touch, freshly grated Parmesan cheese. It takes this dish to the next level. Now let's make the spaghetti. It's simple, but the flavor is absolutely incredible. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, and don't forget to add about 2 tablespoons of salt. Once the water is boiling, add the spaghetti and cook it until it's almost done. While the pasta cooks, prepare a simple but classic butter and garlic sauce. Here's a little secret that many people don't know. Pasta water contains starch, which helps create a silky, creamy sauce. So don't forget to add a splash of it to your butter and garlic mixture. Grate some fresh Parmesan directly into the sauce, then toss in the spaghetti and mix everything together until it's perfectly coated. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, plating this beautiful dish. And why not? A little more freshly grated Parmesan? Absolutely! Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more restaurant quality recipes you can make right at home. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments what you think. Enjoy!